Spring has sprung. So no matter where you are in the country, you're likely enjoying warmer temperatures, and if you're like me, probably some allergies. But what should you be doing to make sure your finances are in tip-top shape? In this video, we're going to discuss 3 spring cleaning tips for your personal finances. Before we begin, I want to remind everybody, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks for your personal finances. First and foremost, how is your budget coming along? So now we're 3, 4, 5 months into the year, and you have some data on your budgeting. Are you consistently going over your budget each month? Are you racking up credit card debt? Are you saving in some months but not other months? Spring is a great time to review your progress towards your budget. Reviewing your debts. Are you paying on any debts? Perhaps you just got a bonus and could eliminate some of your debt burdens. It's a great time of the year to reorganize your debts and reprioritize them. So make a list of each debt, total the amount that you have left remaining on each debt, make a column for the payments and also the interest rates. Any high rate debts should be paid off as soon as possible. If you have cash just sitting around, it's better to go ahead and knock out these high interest rate debts rather than let your cash just sit and rot in the bank. Be careful though, because some debts, such as your mortgage, are not necessarily a bad thing. Don't get over obsessed with trying to pay off debts and ignoring saving for your future goals. Last but not least, you probably have some old accounts out there that it's time to consolidate them. You changed job recently, or perhaps even a while back. If so, you may have an old 401k that's just sitting out there doing nothing for you, and perhaps you've lost track of it. Spring is a great time of the year to take inventory of all of your accounts, the current balances, and where they are. If there's any redundancy or accounts not working as hard as you need them to, then it's time to consolidate them. Oftentimes, you'll lose track of your accounts, not because you're being irresponsible, but because simply they're all over the place. Consolidating them can help you simplify your life. If you need help with spring cleaning for your personal finances, please don't hesitate to give us a call, and I'll see you guys next time.